Kia ora koutou, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I'm talking about an idea that you might like to introduce into the classroom or your home or an early childhood centre to help to find a new way to increase the use of Te Reo Māori. So this is he aha te, so this is what, he aha te something or te something. So this fits in with he aha te something or te rā. So when we're talking about something about the day or the week. Some people like to have a word of the day, a colour of the day, a shape of the day, an animal of the day, an insect of the day. Lots of things like that. So let's say you had he aha te or te, and you choose whether it's of the day or the week, depending on how often you want to change it. So then you might have, perhaps you could have 4 categories or just one or however many you want. So let's say one of the categories is colour of the day. He aha te tai, he aha te tai for colour, or te rā. So let's say you're just doing it for one a day. He aha te tai or te rā. So then you could also have something up here. If it was a magnetic thing, then you could have the coloured magnetic pictures up there for the colour. Here, and then let's say it happens to be whero, because that's the colour pen I've got there. He whero te tai or te rā. He whero te, so this could just be a patch of red, and then, or it could have the word whero in it. You can make that easily yourself. So here, so this is the question. He aha te tai o te rā? He whero te tai o te rā? So children could have a chance to choose, and then the next day or the next week somebody might choose kōwhai for the colour of the day. And then the follow on from that is not just to have that up there, talking about it, being able to say it, asking, oh, he aha te tai o te rā? Oh, kōwhai or he kōwhai, or he kōwhai te tai o te rā, and then maybe looking for things that are yellow. Ah, he aha te tai o tēnei, what's the colour of this? Ah, kōwhai. So focusing on whatever the thing is that you want to do there. So this always turns into the answer. So whatever the what is, whether it's colour or whatever. And the sentence structure is exactly the same all the way through apart from that. And then if you're wanting to change this one, so maybe you want an animal of the day or an animal of the week. Kararehe is animal. He aha te kararehe or te wiki. And then you might have some pictures of animals here and the child will put it up there or with the word on it, and then it might be he hei, the chicken. Chicken is the animal of the week. So there's lots of things you can do with that. You can do it for a word of the week. He aha te kupu or te rā or te wiki. You could do it for shape. What is the shape of the week? Te āhua. What else? Maybe you could do it for number. One of the words for number is nama. Lots of things. The fruit, the vegetable, the food. Lots of opportunities, and it's a sentence structure that would really help children and teachers and parents to be using a lot more of the reo, and to their brain, your brain will hear your mouth speaking more of the reo, just so that we can get away from it always being about single words and commands and greetings. This is an easy way to add that to your home or your classroom or your early childhood centre. Hopefully that will help you. Kia pai tō koutou rā whakatā. Have a good weekend, everyone. Ka kite.